Hey y'all, welcome back to Weeby Jamming Gears. So, I'm getting rid of it. I'm keeping the bed and the seat, but the cab, I'm keeping the bed, the seat, and the wheels. And yeah, so, and it's going someplace else. I'm kind of happy to see it go because it would have been a lot of work kind of thing. But I have another one that I'm going to make a short bed out of it, and it's in better shape-ish kind of thing. And well, this truck, and the front clip and the cab without the doors are going to go with that. And probably this Sunday, I'm not 100% sure. We said on Sunday, but I'm gonna take it up toward McPherson, yeah, Manhattan kind of place around there. But like I said, that bed is gonna go on that after I shorten it, and so. It's a little hot right now, and I got to get to work in a little while, but I got this pulled out. I'm going to pull the bed off probably tonight when I get back home from work. It's midnight. I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to do that or not. Just wait in the morning when it's a little cooler. But yeah, I'm kind of excited for it to go away because something's going to come back with me. Can't tell you quite yet what it is. I want to real bad, but it's kind of it's been on Marketplace, yeah. Me on Marketplace is a bad idea. But, you know, hopefully the guy does it. And I'm pulling the motor out of that, and it's going to go with that guy. And so, front clip, and cab with no doors, and frame and chassis and front end, all that. Only thing it's not going to go is all that thing is I'm taking the bed and the seat, and I got to figure out how to put the cab on the back of that thing, strap it down, and it won't blow away. It's going to be a fun ordeal, but I'm kind of excited for it to go away. Let the other person mess with it. I've had it for 13, 14 years, and it's a mess. So I'm excited for what's going to come back when I get rid of it. So like I said, I'm going to start on it tonight maybe, or tomorrow. I'll put it out of the camera to show me what I'm going to do with it. I wish I had a torch. But what it is what it is. I'm excited for it to go away. So, alright. I will talk to you later. Maybe tonight or tomorrow morning. Alright, see ya. Welcome back to Weeby Jamming Gears. It's Matt. So, I'm putting this on the old trailer so Sunday I can head up north with this thing to a guy that we need to do a little trading, want to do a little horse trading. Here lately, I've been doing a little horse trading on the Marketplace, but oh well. And I'm not really liking how I hook these things up, so I decided to put some D-rings on the old trailer, and so I've done 4. I'm about to on my 5th one. Sorry that I haven't been videoing. Oh yeah, and I'm in Crocs, shorts, and a hood. I sure do miss stick welding. That's one of my favorite That's one of my favorite jobs is stick welding. I am doing some welding, but it's MIG welding. MIG welding's all right. It's good. It's great. But I'm a structural steel out in the field, freaking kind of thing. And so I'm just, like I said, I'm almost done. And I gotta get the front clip and put it in the bed of the truck, hopefully, or I might, unbolt it. I really don't want to do any of that. And I was putting this cab on this bed after I took the bed off. I put the front of the cab onto the deal, and I freaking busted the back window. It's like, dang it. But I decided to flip it around. I don't think it's gonna go anywhere. It's pretty solid. So, but let me get my little stand, and I will put you somewhere, and Joel, do what you do. You do your best. Welcome back, y'all. We be jamming gears. So I did trade the old shortbed for a 64 k10 four-wheel drive with a 4-inch lift. Needs a little bit of work, but once you just look at it, and it's just so clean. Cab, it needs a little bit of work. It needs to get everything bolt back into there. But I got a whole truck bed of truck parts. When I say a whole truck bed of truck parts of different types for C10s or C10s and K10s, like factory 4-speed 4-wheel drive wall block in it. I got front and rear bumpers. That's pretty cool. But it's raining and I'm hungry. Started this little shindig at like 8 o'clock this morning. The guy can talk, but he's a good kid. But I'm gonna eat me some Casey's pizza, and then I wanna bounce back into town. I'm about an hour and 50 minutes from home, and it's 12:30, so about 1:30, 2 o'clock when I'll be home. All right, so I will catch you when I get home. All right, see you guys. Welcome back to We Be Jamming Gears. So I got home. It's right there. I have you hooked up to my phone charger in my truck, so I really thought about just unloading it right here, then grab the tractor and put it in the pole barn. I don't know, so I don't know if I'm gonna move it forward or just unload it right here. I think I might just unload it, move forward. So give me a minute. But it's a clean truck. I mean, it's not, I'll say it's clean. It's pretty, not say rough, but So yeah, let me move this thing forward a little bit, somewhat kind of into my pull barn. Well, I hope everyone had a great weekend. I know I did. I'm excited I got this pickup. I was, saw it on Marketplace for a little while, for a few months. I was gonna go buy it, and things came up, and I was like, I got that short bed. How about I just do a little trading with him with that? I did. So, you can watch me unload this thing. Here you go.